Welcome to Wealth Secrets channel. Today we will be looking at why becoming a millionaire online is easier than you think. If you want to try and avoid running into debt, this one is for you. Throughout this video, we will look at who are millionaires. 5 online businesses can help you become a millionaire and how much money can be made in each business. If you would like to watch this kind of video, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you don't want to miss any information related to wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. Before showing you who are millionaires, don't you know most Americans, about 51% of respondents, had less than $1,000 saved. Also, a third of the American respondents even did not have anything saved. And guess why? Several obstacles make it tough for people to save money, including high credit card debt and student loan debt. When you are living paycheck to paycheck monthly, it is natural to be tempted to spend lavishly on an expensive vacation and do some serious shopping. Once you discover that most people surrounding you have these two behaviors, or either one of them. However, the most important thing is not to go deeper into that, which will only worsen matters. Did you know that you could become a millionaire through online business? It is true. Today, some of the most successful entrepreneurs have made their fortunes online. From setting up YouTube channels and Instagram fitness gurus to e-commerce store owners and Amazon sellers, one can make money online in countless different ways, and there's no limit for how much you can make if you are willing to work hard. Quickly, we will be looking at those questions I mentioned. Who are millionaires? Millionaires are not just people with enormous bank accounts. A millionaire is anyone who can cover all of their expenses and still have some surplus funds remaining at the month's conclusion. If you live frugally, you could be a millionaire even if you make less than $100,000 yearly. Becoming a millionaire is easier than you think. The internet can help you get there without spending millions of dollars on advertising or hiring an expensive team of recruiters. For example, if your goal is $200K 1 year, then all you need to do is to create some small passive income streams from various businesses and stick to them together until they reach your target sum. Here are 2 examples. The first one is to build a blog that teaches people how to do something. And the second one is to buy items from overseas through sites like Alibaba that have wholesale deals in bulk. eBay is another place. Now you are selling those items on eBay and Amazon, so that as soon as they sell, they generate revenue while being stored in your warehouse, almost like printing money. Just make sure you don't buy too many of one type of item, because inventory management is crucial to this process. One last thing. When you first start, don't forget about taxes. The best way to deal with taxes is to set up an LLC or limited liability company before making any purchases. This protects you from any potential tax issues down the line. After setting up your company name and address, all you need will be an employer identification number, which can easily be obtained online. With just a few clicks and filling out the right forms, taxes will never catch up with us now. But that's not all. Once you've reached your goal of becoming a millionaire, you will want to continue saving more and more each month, which means constantly finding new ways to produce passive income. You could invest in stocks, open new stores around the country or world, or even invest in other companies by buying their stocks. Whatever strategy works for you. Now that you've understood who millionaires are, let's look at the online businesses that can help you become a millionaire. 5 online businesses that can help you become a millionaire. The first one, starting an e-commerce business. E-commerce business can start by opening an e-commerce store. Your primary focus is to build a brand that provides a lasting relationship with your customers. It would be best to think about what you want your brand to represent so people can associate it with your product. Start with a small number of products. Track what products are running and do the A/B testing to track customer behavior on site. This way, you can find the right direction to move. Also, treat your customers so well that they can't have a negative word to say about you. Good customer support is one of the most important things business can have. Whatever you do, don't forget SEO and digital marketing. Good content, affiliate programs, influencer marketing, etc. are tools to leverage. Success is inevitable if you put in the effort, time, and passion. Selling your products on Amazon. As a seller, Amazon's reach is near global. Its impact on the retail channel is unprecedented, and its sales continue to grow rapidly. Amazon provides to assist firms in managing their items, landing sites, and advertising. But these are only some of the resources that will help you achieve. Opening up an Etsy shop. In case you haven't heard of it, Etsy is an online shop specializing in one-of-a-kind goods. Sometimes this may mean anything from greeting cards and candles to bathrooms, clothes, and jewelry. Providing everything you are selling is either handmade, antique, at least 20 years old, or craft related. According to Etsy statistics, the marketplace has over 4.4 million vendors and over 80 million buyers. An audience out there if you can make something that people crave to shop for. You may start generating money from Etsy in a matter of days if you have the correct product and follow insider advice. The fourth one is to create digital products and sell them online. A digital product is a product without a physical form. It includes ebooks and PDF guides, video tutorials, audio courses, and so on. These digital products can be uploaded to any online platform, such as Udemy, Coursera, etc. The final one is to build membership site or software as a service. Building a membership site is a very popular online business model for entrepreneurs. If you are consistent with it, you will easily become a millionaire. There are many ways to start making money online, but the key thing is to remember is the effect that paying tens of thousands of dollars is not required to get started. Start small so that if you don't find success right away, you won't have invested too much into the venture. For example, create a blog about your passion which you monetize through ads or sponsored posts, or use social media to grow a large following before launching a product. Researching how other businesses in your field operate and speaking to people who work in similar fields is always helpful. it is important to stay motivated, even if you don't see any instant results, because this can lead to long-term success. Also, ensure that you check in regularly about what direction you want the business to take. After all, it is your company. Finally, plenty of free tools are available for startups. Take advantage of them. Many offer training and tutorials to help you become more familiar with the basics. Networking is facilitated by resources such as LinkedIn. The industry leaders worldwide, giving insight into industry trends and customer needs. By taking time each day to learn about different aspects of your chosen niche, you will be able to take any project further than most other entrepreneurs could do alone. When researching new opportunities, ensure they align with your values and practical considerations such as market size and competition level. For example, in the case of MLM, multi-level marketing, it may seem like an easy way to get rich quick, since the investment is low. However, MLMs often charge exorbitant prices for their products, which means that participants end up spending more than they would by simply shopping elsewhere. Similarly, some companies require significant investment at the outset, and few people can earn enough to cover their initial costs. Let's quickly dive into how much you can make in each business, because I can notice that this question has been running in your mind. How much money can be made in each business? Depending on what type of online business you start, you can earn anywhere from a few $100s to millions. You can pick from a large selection, so you should be able to find something that suits your interests and goals. Every day, more and more new millionaires are being made online. Most millionaires can make money passive, meaning they only have to do a small amount of work, once or twice a month. To conclude, making money online can be achieved in diverse ways. Researching is the best way to start looking for them. The internet provides endless opportunities for entrepreneurs and those looking to increase their income. You should use the resources at your disposal. This video only covers 5 methods of making money online, but there are thousands out there waiting for your entrepreneurial spirit. If only a few people respond positively, that is perfectly normal. Don't work out, keep trying until you find something that works. This marks the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next video.